Hello guys, let's get into 3D printing today. So I got this part to print, and here how it looks like. It has to fit in a pipe, and this is the space for that, and some other sheets will be attached with these fins. So actually the problem with this design is that when you start printing it, it will print this part just fine, but when it will start printing this surface, you can see that the plastic will fall down. So in such designs you will be needing supports. So I'm using Prusa Slicer 2.1, and it has a very nice way to do all these sort of things, like how to make the auto supports. So by default, if you go to the printer settings and support material, you will see that auto generate supports is checked. So this should be checked by default, and you can then go to this option, which is supports, which is by default selected none, and you choose this one, support on the build plate only. And I would prefer this to be quite strong, so I'll go for the infill of 80%, and this is it. So once you have selected that option, you will be hitting this slice now button, and you'll see that the design has changed a little bit. So the green thing you're seeing is actually the support material, and the orange thing is the design itself. So and this support material is not actually the dance, it's just the hollow structure. So if I do a section view like this, you can see that how it is from inside. So this is the support material. You can see that it has big gaps in it. So if I do a top view, this is a big gap in it, and like this is how it should go till the end. So here's how you will see the section view and the support material, like this. So this is very easy, and there's another way in which you can, if you think that the support material is wasting too much of your filament, then you can go to the printer settings and uncheck this one, go back to the platter and click on the object, and then right click on it, click on this one and right click on it and select this one, add support enforcer. So you have different shapes in it. Usually you can select a box, and this is how it looks like. So you can actually change the different views by hitting the number keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to get the perfect view of what you are doing on with your design. So this is a box. You can move the box, select different options from here: resize option, rotate option, scaling option, and make the box bigger or smaller like this. And in this way you can put these boxes into the different surfaces that you want to support to, and then finish your design. So for my design, and this one is actually, and the auto support is quite good for me. So I'll go back, delete this one, and again go back to auto generated supports, go to sim option, and then do slice now thing. I'm actually very happy with this support and should be good to go. Now the only thing remaining is going for this export G code and save it to your SD card, and that G code would be going into your Prusa printer to do the final printing. Settings, preheat, I'm using PLA, so it should be hitting up. Yeah, you can see the increase in temperature, and it says no SD card. So just put in the SD card. It will say print from SD, and this is the newest design which I want to print. So it will do automatically find the endpoints. So it's now waiting for the temperature to rise, and when it will rise, it will start printing. So the design is ready. It's very good with the support structure. Yeah. Quite hard, and this is the final design. This was a support structure. And you can also see the cracks, so it's a good thing. It's a good thing that we can easily take that. This is the final structure, final piece that I wanted to print. And the good thing about this one is that it has also printed these 0.4 mm grooves in it. There's a little fault in here, so I think you can see that it hasn't filled the space on the top, which I think was not in the design. It was like perfect design, but like I think for some reason it hasn't filled that one up. So except that, everything is like fine. And this was the support structure that I got rid of. It took some doing with the tools, but like it was not very hard to detach from the actual final product. So thank you very much for watching.